day where we're just everything inside of the house is being cleaned today. And right now, I'm cutting windows loose and lifting them up, painting them underneath of the sashes. We're going to go ahead and start organizing some tools and stuff. Also, I've got my window washing shit here. I'll be washing all the windows on the outside while the ones that are inside are being cleaned. Will be washed on the inside by the person cleaning. And then pretty much we cut and cleaned all them cables up there and did shit with that. Rewrited the phone lines. Made the side of the house look a little bit better. The final landscaping and stuff is all getting done. All the fucking grass cutting and fucking bush trimming and stuff like that. You're gonna have loads of mulch coming in here to fucking make everything look nice. A couple of things being planted. Some mulch coming in here like that. I'm just going around now with this fucking razor knife right here, which is a fucking Craftsman razor knife, and cutting the windows loose. I've done cut every one of them loose, and the only ones that are left now are these four. And some of them are fucking pulling up fucking mint green paint from 1953. So, you know, you imagine how many times this house has been painted in 65 years. So these windows fucking right here, you know, a lot of them have been stuck for over 60 years. I'm fucking hitting them with a flat bar and a fucking razor knife and a 5-in-1 and just pulling up some paint. So we're just going back and scraping all that loose shit up, sanding it down and fucking painting every fucking thing. So, and a little while, when it's all fucking done and said, we'll be making a final last day skit on this video of what every fucking thing looks like. Into day 70, and all the fucking shit in the garage has been cleaned out. Everything's been put in bags, all the trash. All these tools right here need to go back on the work truck. All that shit goes back in the work truck. And the house has been cleaned. I haven't been inside of it, but I'm gonna look at it now. Landscaping's getting done. The only thing we need to come back for is just to replace the glass. So I'll go tomorrow morning and stop and get an inspection on the truck. And when I'm coming down that road on my way here, I'm going to stop at the glass place, because the glass place and the inspection place is on the same road, and order the glass. The utility room, the washer and dryers have been wiped down. And let's see what the inside of the house is. This would be your finished product. It's June the 20th. It's what everybody's been waiting for, especially me, so I can get the fuck out of here. Sing. Living room. All the windows today were cleaned. All the appliances were cleaned. I'm gonna go ahead on and just switch this over to like a panoramic mode or a wide view, so that everything could be kind of seen. So this is the final bullshit walkthrough. Nothing else in here needs to be done. In fact, I don't plan on coming back in here and fucking nothing up. It's ready to be shown. Real estate agent's gonna come in here and stage it. So they'll be bringing furniture and shit like that in here. So there's your house. The floors have been cleaned. The bathroom is clean. It's had its final cleaning. Tub, shower, mirrors, fucking the dual flush shitter. This fucking room right here. And I had to say something to the cleaning person. It's slipping. Leave your shit in the motherfucker. And so that's it. It's your finished product. You just got to replace a couple pieces of glass and that'll be all done. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV and hit the like button. hit that little notification bell so that you know when I upload another video. And if you got a question, leave a question in the comment section or email me at peninsulaimp@gmail.com. That's also in the channel description, a link to that email. In case you're just joining us, there's also 69 more videos before this one of this house from when it was just a vandalized, rundown house. And you can go back at that very first one and see what it looked like and then compare it to this one. And you will see the difference between the before and after. Or you can just skim through the videos, or if you're just starting to watch it and you're interested, you can go back and start at day one and watch it all the way through. After today, I won't be making any more videos of this house. I'm just going to make a video of me putting the windows in and glazing them and stuff like that. Maybe a little revisit and, like a little extension onto the other videos where we can come in here and look at what it looks like once it's staged. So this is where we're at. That's the end of the day. I'm packing up all my shit and putting it in that vehicle out there and hitting the fucking trail. So fucking telemarketers calling me. A bunch of bullshit. Always wanted to try to steal somebody's shit. But anyway, these motherfucking cleaning lady left a damn ladder in here and a dirty fucking rag. It's time for me to go take care of her ass for that shit. But final video. Y'all have a good one now. And also, I've got about 400 more other videos. Restoration, cooking, experiments, reviews, fucking news, fucking you name it. So if you want to, if you subscribe to the channel, you can skim through those videos. And there's something in there that you probably never seen before, because I see some weird shit sometimes. So y'all have a good day now. And stay tuned for whatever it is that we get into next, because it ain't going to be this place. Have a good day now. Thanks for watching that house renovation.